Hello YouTubers, welcome to How to Webmaster. This is part 1 of YouTube Shorts for internet marketers and tips to make money and grow your business through YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts videos surpassed 15 billion daily views around the world. I have seen brand new channels gaining 100,000 subscribers within 1 to 2 months and getting 100+ million views. I think this is the best time in YouTube history for a brand new channel to quickly get views and subscribers by using YouTube Shorts. In this tutorial series on YouTube Shorts, learn about the features that work with the YouTube Shorts algorithm, monetization rules, and strategies for content creation and analytics. And much more. Let's find out. What are YouTube Shorts videos? They are short videos, usually less than 60 seconds. They mainly serve the purpose of entertainment and sometimes even provide some beneficial info to its viewers. If you're browsing through the YouTube mobile app on your home feed, you'll be able to see what's known as the short shelf. Right now, viewers may find shorts by tapping shorts at the bottom menu bar of the YouTube app. They may also find shorts on the YouTube homepage. The purpose of these shorts videos is mobile-based. They're vertical, which means they are designed to be recorded using smartphones. However, you'll be able to use them on your desktop or smart TV. On desktop computers, you can search for hashtag shorts using the YouTube search bar to find shorts. You can also visit your favorite channel to see if they uploaded any shorts videos in the shorts section. How do you make shorts? If you're using a smartphone, you click the plus icon and you'll be able to click Create a Short. You'll then be taken to a screen on which you can take a video directly on YouTube's camera, either with the front-facing or flipping the camera to record using a selfie cam. You'll also be able to add things like filters, customized text, and background music to your shorts. A couple of important things to keep in mind. 1. Similar to TikTok and Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts loop. Please make use of it and create videos that encourage replays. 2. YouTube Shorts are short. This means you must captivate and grab viewers' attentions in the first few seconds, or they will keep scrolling and go right past your short video. 3. Do you have to add hashtag shorts in your video? When Shorts first launched initially, it wasn't accessible to everyone. And the trick that everyone was talking about was to upload your phone-filmed vertical video just like a regular YouTube video. Since it was vertical, it'd have black borders to the sides. However, putting hashtag shorts into your title and description could make it a YouTube Shorts video. This also works for posting Shorts videos with your computers and not just your phones. 4. YouTube Shorts are not YouTube Stories. This might seem obvious, but we want to make it crystal clear. If you're unfamiliar with the various features available, it's easy to confuse the two. YouTube Stories can also be seen on the Story Shelf-like section. They also have the same process that involves filming with your YouTube camera using your smartphone and then using filter effects, music, and so on. However, in contrast to Shorts, Stories expire after 7 days. You can find them by clicking on the profile icon of a channel when they've published any stories. Stories are available only to accounts with more than 10,000+ subscribers. Whereas anyone can post Shorts videos on YouTube without limitations. What is the best way to integrate YouTube Shorts into your internet marketing plan? Monetization should not be the primary reason you make Shorts. Let's take a look at some of the compelling reasons to create YouTube Shorts. 1. Brand awareness. Shorts can be a fantastic method to attract new viewers and boost your brand's visibility through the channel. One suggestion we'd like to make is to incorporate value into the short in itself and direct viewers to your YouTube channel to provide an even greater value. As an example, suppose you're an e-commerce shop and have a 10-minute video that demonstrates how to style specific clothes from your store to make them spring-like. It could be a short video that showcases one of the dresses you sell in a fun and engaging way. In the end, direct them to your spring fashion video for more outfits. So even if they have not seen your more lengthy videos on YouTube yet, they'll feel like they have gained value through your business. so they will have an enjoyable experience with you and help to increase brand recognition. Building that initial brand trust is crucial and essential for them to purchase from you further down the line. 2. Reuse your Instagram Reels and TikToks. Work smarter, not harder. If you're already producing Instagram Reels or TikToks, you can repurpose the content for YouTube Shorts. You'll need to do some tweaks to the settings here and there to allow them to be used to make shorts. However, this will definitely help you save time than trying to develop video ideas from scratch for an additional platform. Remember that shorts can use music on the go for up to 15 minutes. Therefore, you might have to alter videos originally created to play music for longer than 15 seconds. In addition, if you export your videos via TikTok as well as Instagram after having already published them, they'll come out with one of the following: the TikTok watermark or the Instagram Reels watermark on them. It is best to keep the video in its original format with no watermark and send it to Shorts. 3. Offer additional value. If you're not currently making Reels and TikToks and are trying to think of an idea from scratch for YouTube Shorts, we suggest, first of all, giving the viewers value. The value can come in various varieties through quick tips, how to do something, a funny or engaging story, or even humor. Consider the issues or goals that your audiences have within your niche and business, and then address the problems and goals through your shorts. Alright, that's all for this Part 1 tutorial series on how to use YouTube Shorts for internet marketing. Please stick around for Part 2 and subscribe to our channel, How to Webmaster. See the links down below in the video description. Thank you for viewing and happy marketing!